Alright, today we are going to be creating a simple guessing game in Python, and one thing I want to tell you is that this is the basics of building a game. So it's the same principle. We are going to start with this guessing game and we are going to progressively continue to move until we create something really good. So let's just start from the basics, something everybody can easily follow. Even if you are not a programmer, you don't have a knowledge of Python, simply follow along in this tutorial. So we are going to choose a secret word, and then we are going to tell the user to try to guess this word. And if the user doesn't guess it correctly, we are going to continue to prompt him to guess the word again until he gets it. So we are going to illustrate these three basic building blocks of the Python programming language. Also, before I continue, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. Click it so that you encourage me to continue to make these lessons for you. So the first thing we want to do is we are going to choose a secret word. So let's call it secret word is equal to, let's just call it laptop. I wonder how I just figured this out. So the next line, I'm going to ask the user, to input a word or to try to guess this the secret word. So whatever he guesses, I'm going to store it in user guess. So I'm going to say user guess equals input enter a word, right? Good. So give a space. So I now have a secret word I've chosen and also have a user guess that I've gotten from the user. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to continue to tell the user to enter a word as long as the secret word and the user guess is not the same, right? So get it, because I've used the input statement, now I'm trying to use the loop. So what I'm saying is, as long as the user guess and the secret word is not the same, I'll continue to say enter a word. So I'll say while user guess and secret word is not the same, I'll continue to say enter a word. So let's use a loop. While user guess is not equal to secret word, and I'm going to say, I'm going to now say user guess equal to input. So at this point, the guess is wrong because he already made one wrong guess and it's not equal. So I'm going to just tell him wrong guess. Please enter the word. So at the first time, it's not a wrong guess, it's just the first time. But in the second time, it's been checked and then it's wrong. We are going to now say wrong guess. So at this point we can now continue to loop. This will continue to loop, right? Good. So if however the user guess is equal to the secret word, then we are going to break away from this loop. Simply take the cursor back to the end of the line, to the beginning of the line, and then say, so just print out to the user, you have won, right? Good. So this is basically how it works. Now the if statement, I've not used it. I'm going to use it to enhance this guessing game. We are going to continue to add enhancement until we create something real good. But for now, let's test what we have by clicking on this button. So let's say enter a word, and I'm going to enter camel. Wrong guess, please enter a word. I'm going to shift this a little backwards. I'm going to enter computer. Wrong guess, please enter a word. So as you can see, it's working. So let me enter laptop. So you can see you have won, right? And that is fine. So this is basics, a simple guessing game in Python. So let's just use the if statement. Now we are going to, okay, let's resolve this in the next tutorial because I'm going to just end this and let's continue in the next part.